Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Earn. Binance Earn is a fantastic feature that allows you to grow your cryptocurrency holdings passively. It offers a variety of products designed to suit different risk levels and investment goals, whether you're looking for flexibility or higher returns over a set period. It's a straightforward way to make your crypto work for you. Binance Earn provides several options. Flexible savings let you earn daily interest while keeping your assets accessible, perfect for short-term needs. For potentially higher returns, locked savings require you to commit your crypto for a set duration. Additionally, staking allows you to earn rewards by simply holding certain cryptocurrencies, contributing to their network security. Getting started with Binance Earn is quite simple. First, log into your Binance account and find the Earn section. From there, you can browse the available cryptocurrencies and products. Once you've chosen, simply enter the amount you want to allocate and confirm your subscription. Your earnings will then begin to accumulate according to the product's terms. To maximize your earnings, it's wise to research each product carefully to align with your investment strategy. For consistent growth, consider enabling the auto-subscribe feature for flexible savings. Also, staying informed about market trends can help you make timely decisions, potentially increasing your returns. Always remember to understand the terms before committing your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.